YouTube, what's up? Another good video or somewhat exciting day for me. This came in the mail, and if you know what that logo means, and if you tune into the last video, you know what it is. But if you haven't seen the last video and you don't know what it is and you don't know what that logo means, these are the Morimoto fog lights for the tent mobile. Because as I said in the last video, I have no fog lights anymore. So, yeah, that's definitely what I'm about to be doing today. The grill did not come in the mail yet. It just shipped out, I want to say yesterday. But I think it said the delivery date was somewhere around January 12th through 19th. So hopefully that comes sooner because I did want to do them together. But I'm not going to be able to because I like riding around with my fog lights on whenever I'm driving. So I'll be putting those on today. And yeah, so I'm about to take a ride, grab some food, head to the garage. I got a couple tent jobs lined up today, so somewhere in the midst of that, I'm gonna install these fog lights. So I watched the video and they don't take long at all, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm finally at the garage. As you can see, it's pretty dark outside. Man, how tight this truck fits in here, but I get it to fit because I'm nice like that. I got my favorite purple razor. Let's open these things up and see what's within. They better have gave me a sticker too. I don't play about my stickers. I'm gonna toss this on the cart and watch it to make sure I don't lose it. Cool. Pretty small box. Kind of expected it to be just a tad bit bigger. My stickers, my receipts. There's literally just the two lights and some bubble wrap. These things look cool. They're definitely nice in person. It's like you can only get the real look like in person. You can't really see. But it's got that V shape in there. I like that. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna jack the truck up a bit. I'm not gonna record me doing that. I'm saving time, and I know you want me to get to the point. So jack the truck up a bit and get started on the removal of the old brackets that I have left of the fog lights. And I'll be right back. All right, so I got it jacked up just enough to, like, the wheels barely left the ground, but just enough so that I can get up under here. So this is advice that I took from another YouTube video I seen with somebody installing these lights on a GMC Sierra. I'll also link that in the description in case you want to check that out, see how they look on your Sierra. But all you have to do is get up under here, and these three black things are mounting tabs. So, but you just take a 10mm and you just shove it on there, and it pushes these pins in enough to where you can just get them out. I should be able to come over here and just pull on that. Might have to use two hands and kind of work it out. Yep, that definitely worked. I just got this first one out, so I just had it in there and I wiggled it up and down as I pulled on it, and it got it out. I'm not sure how well you can do that with a whole fog light assembly in there, but you'll be able to work it out. So to speed through this process, I'm just gonna do the rest of these the same way, and I'll be right back when it's time to mount these tabs onto the new lights. All right, so I got the 6 tabs off. We have 4 of them that are just mounting points, and then 2 of them like this, one going each. These are your alignment here to get the beam up and down. These actually just stay like this. Well, I think you have to unscrew these to, yeah, you have to unscrew them out of the old fog lights. This part here, you just unscrew it out of there, and then that'll leave you with this inside the fog light, and then you just have to pop this out. And as for these, I think we could just pull, oh yeah, these pull out. And these are all garbage because they're broken. So these are simple. They just pop right on here. Just need one of each. And then a mounting point goes right in there. Just like that. And then you'll screw this back in. Do the same for the other one. And then from here, these literally just pop right into the socket. You plug these in like normal and your lights are good to go. All you have to do after that is align them. Just rest that there. You know, I'm just gonna pop it all the way in. Just make sure this one works. That one works. Same for the other side. They are both on. I'm happy because they match the color of all the LEDs here. All right, so I don't think these bottom tabs popped in all the way, so because you can see it's still kind of a little loose there. So we're gonna get under and check from behind and see if they popped in. If not, I'm just gonna give them a little shebang. All right, so got it pulled outside. I'm gonna align them real quick. So I don't know if you watched my last video when I installed the Morimoto headlights, but to align them, you want to be 25 feet away from the wall. So you want to back up 25 feet from the wall. This is not 25 feet, but I'm gonna do that in a minute. And you want to measure the distance from the ground up to this light, which roughly looks about 1.5 feet maybe. And from that distance of 25 feet away back there, you should have the same pattern or the same beam, that same distance off the ground. So if it's 1 foot off the ground here at 25 feet away, it should also be 1 foot off the ground here. All right, so this is the final product here. I would say for fog lights, these things are definitely bright. I'm very satisfied. So definitely make sure you align them, just like how we had to do with the headlights, because if you don't align them, you will be very upset because it won't be giving out the light that you're looking for, because it's either pointing all the way in the air or all the way at the ground. So I want to pull it out on the street real quick, get a couple angles for you guys, left and right, with and without the headlights on. So there we have it. Things let out some great light. That's just the fog lights and the running lights. The running lights definitely put some light out. All right, let's do with low beams. So again, I give these things a solid 5 out of 5. I'm definitely happy with them. When I was looking at them online, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the style of them, but I wanted them because they're black, just like the headlight housings are black. And like I said earlier, I got the black grill on the way for the top and bottom. I don't think it comes with this, so I would be wrapping this black or doing something with it, but definitely a solid 5 out of 5 for the fog lights and headlights. The prices for them are a bit steep, but I already justified why the price was high for the headlights, so I'm not complaining. I bought them already, it's done for. But yeah, I'll drop links in the description for both of them. And last but not least, if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, or if you simply just like how the tent mobile looks, definitely subscribe, turn that notification button on, because you want to be there when I upload new content. I'm always doing something to my vehicles. I got a center cap on the way too, don't worry. So definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see, let me know your thoughts. And that's it. Thanks for watching.